It's time to replace your OxyHome HEPA filter. This video will walk you through each step. Start by turning off and unplugging your unit. Always power down completely before any maintenance. Find the rear filter access panel under the unit's handle. The gross particle filter, made of foam, is on top of the access panel. The HEPA filter, which looks like a plastic box, is inside the filter compartment. Open the filter access panel and remove it to get to the HEPA filter inside. Then take out the old HEPA filter by pushing it to the left. HEPA filters typically look like a white paper inside a transparent plastic housing. You can tell it needs to be replaced when the white paper looks dirty. Install the new filter by pushing it fully into the O-ring on the right side of the compartment. Leave both stickers on the new filter intact. Reinstall the access panel door on the top and make sure both the gross particle filter and the HEPA filter are in place. Never run your unit without both of these filters. That's it! You've replaced the HEPA filter on your OxyHome unit. If you have any questions, please reach out. Our oxygen experts are ready to help. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.